Sunshine here, and I am screen recording so that I can help you verify your Facebook business page so that you can run ads. I needed to do this because I hired Hirsch Marketing to help me with my ads for my new business, which is Fit Tech University, and they needed to be given permissions to run my ads essentially, but I had to verify my domain before anything could be done, which was quite the fun process. And I wrote out some very simple follow along steps so that you can end up with this green verified status symbol, if you will. So I have an article from Facebook, I have a YouTube video, and I have my domain open here, and I'll show you what I did. This link is obviously up here, but I will link to it. And when you open this link, it's a Facebook how-to help center. It took me a little while to find this. You want to open this and scroll down to steps to verify your domain. And I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hit Control and then click this and open it in a new window. And when I do that, you click on the page you are trying to verify. And then here on the left-hand side, you'll see that it says domains, right over here, domains. You'll click that, and then you'll want to click add. So right there. I'm not going to do it because I've already verified, and it took me quite some time. Now, I'm actually going to exit that because I already have it open. Then you have to decide if you are really good with WordPress. You can add this HTML code into your website. I started going down that line and it didn't work for me. But there's a second option which was way easier, which was to do these steps. And if it sounds foreign to you, this DNS and TXT, don't worry about it because these are very easy to follow. So this is what I did. I followed these DNS steps. This is open your domain register. So I have GoDaddy and I opened my company. I scrolled down to manage DNS. You could get to it from the top as well. You could get to it from right there. And then I scroll down here. You can see I've already added this, but I would click add. Type is TXT. This I had to search for. This is literally just an @ symbol. And then this value, you'll see that right there. This value, I got that from over here when I clicked add. Okay, let me see what happens. When I clicked add, I typed in sunshinefitnesscompany.com, and make note here where it says don't put the www. So when I clicked that, it came up with a screen that gave me that link. And I clicked save. I refreshed my browser, and when I refreshed my browser, I came back into business settings. There was a button that said verify domain. It was around this area, and I clicked it, and boom, I got this certification. I'm verified now. So now Hirsch Marketing can go in and help me set up my ads for my new company, Fit Tech University. And we serve fitness professionals with how to set up their virtual fitness studio. And then once they've got that structure in place, then the higher level of services is how to grow your studio, how to gain clients, because that's really what we all want and need, right? So if you found this helpful, let me know, reach out, let me know what questions you have. If you like this teaching style, let me know that as well. Again, I'm Sunshine, and I'm so happy to meet you. Have a great day.